Namaste everyone. If you love sari, if you love handlooms and Indian textile or dream of starting your own sari business, then this video is for you. Today we are going on a beautiful journey across the India where we will explore the amazing world of a cotton sari. So in today's video, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn why cotton sari are so popular, different type of a cotton sari in a different state, also how to identify the authentic cotton sari, also which cotton sari is most in a demand, and finally how to start your own brand for a cotton sari. So all these topics we are going to cover in today's video. Before we explore a different state, we should know why cottons are loved by everyone, okay? Also why the millions of people prefer to wear a cotton. So as you know, cotton sarees are so comfortable, breathable, also perfect for Indian weather and also skin friendly, sustainable and elegant of a daily wear and special occasion. India is one of the most world largest producer of a cotton, and every region has developed their own designs, and it's unique, it's comfortable and it's popular also. When we talk about cotton sarees in India, it's impossible not to mention Indira Gandhi. She played a significant role in popularizing handloom and cotton sarees among educated urban women. Her choice of a simple yet elegant hand woven sarees became a symbol of confidence, leadership and Indian craftsmanship. Even today, many women associated cotton sarees with intelligence, grace and strength because of the image she projected. Three generations of powerful Indian women shaped the popularity of handloom sarees in a different ways. Sarojini Naidu championed Khadi during the freedom struggle. Padmaja Naidu promoted Bengali handloom tradition through her iconic Garad sarees. Later, Indira Gandhi made a handloom cotton sarees a symbol of strength, leadership and elegance. Together, these three women showed that sari is not just a fashion, it is a history, culture and identity woven into fabric. Here, since you have already decided to start your own cotton saree business, you should know which categories of cotton sarees are in a demand. So first one, which we have a Mulmul cotton saree. The second one are in a demand, which is a Chanderi cotton saree, Pochampally cotton saree, and we have a fourth one is a Sambalpuri cotton saree. Also, we have a Chettinad cotton saree, Jamdani cotton saree, also Mangalagiri cotton and Kota cotton. Now, let's talk about the business, okay? So, probably you may have a lot of questions in your mind. We can see how to start, from where to start, how to develop your own brand, how to choose a name for your business and all those details step by step. So, stay with me till the end, and if you like my videos, please like, comment and share with those people, I can say your friends and family who are struggling to get the answers when they already established their business or they just want to launch their own new brand. So my video will definitely going to help them.
Today, we are going to learn everything about the cotton saree business in India. If you are a student, housewife, entrepreneur, boutique owner, fashion designer or someone who want to start a textile business, this video will help you to understand the complete cotton saree industry from the beginning to end. In this video, we will learn about the different type of cotton sarees in India. Which cotton sarees are most profitable? How much investment is required? Government subsidies and schemes. How to start your own brand? How to manufacture cotton sarees and how to export cotton sarees in other countries. So watch this video till the end. India is one of the oldest cotton producing countries in the world. More than 5,000 years ago, people in the India Valley civilization were already using cotton fabric. India cotton was exported to ancient Egypt, Rome, and many other countries. During the Mughal period, fine cotton fabrics like muslin and Jamdani became famous worldwide. Many royal families and queens wore beautifully woven cotton sarees because they were comfortable, elegant, and suitable for India's climate. Now let's look at the famous cotton sarees of India. In West Bengal, Tant Sarees are known. In West Bengal, Tant Sarees are known for their lightweight feel and comfort during summer. Jamdani Saree are famous for their hand-woven design and premium quality. Dhakai Muslin is considered one of the finest cotton fabric ever created. In Gujarat, Khadi cotton saree are known for being hand-spun and environment friendly. Ajrakh cotton sarees are famous for natural dyes and beautiful block printing. In Rajasthan, Kota, Doria sarees are extremely light and airy. Bagru print saree are known for traditional hand block printing, while Jodhpuri cotton sarees showcase rich Rajasthani color and heritage inspired designs. In Madhya Pradesh, Chanderi Saree are lightweight and elegant, while Maheshwari Sarees are famous for their beautiful borders and royal heritage. In Tamil Nadu, Chettinad cotton sarees are known for bright colors and durable fabrics. Sungudi Sarees are popular for their traditional tie and dye styles. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Mangalagiri Sarees are appreciated for their simple elegance. Pochampally Saree are famous for ikat weaving, and Gadwal Sarees are known for their rich borders and traditional appearance. In Odisha, Sambalpuri Saree features beautiful traditional pattern, while Bomkai Sarees are inspired by tribal art and culture. Today, the most popular cotton sarees category include Mulmul cotton sarees, Handloom cotton sarees, Khadi cotton sarees, block print saree, Ajrakh saree, ikat sarees, office wear cotton saree, organic cotton sarees, and design cotton sarees. If you want to start cotton saree business, there are three common options. The first option is reselling. You can buy sarees from manufacturers or woven and sell them through Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, or your own website. This model can be started with an investment of around 50,000 to lakh rupees. The second option is creating your own brand. In this model, you create a brand name, design label, and packaging. Source sarees from different weaving clusters and sell them under your own brands. The investment required is usually between 3 lakhs and 10 lakhs rupees. The third option is manufacturing in the model. You purchase cotton yarn, arrange weaving, dyeing and printing, and create a finished saree under your own company. This usually requires an investment starting from 25 lakh rupees and above. The Government of India supports textile business through various schemes such as PMEGP, MSME program, Mudra loans, Handloom development programs, and Khadi development program. These schemes can provide loan, training, machinery support, and other business assistance depending on the eligibility. To start your own manufacturing company, register your business, obtain GST registration. Register as MSME. Open a business bank account, source cotton, yarn, arrange weaving, manage dyeing and printing. Create your branding and packaging and build sales channels across India and overseas. Cotton sarees also have strong export potential. Major markets include the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, the United Arab Emirates, Singapore, and Malaysia. To export, you will need GST registration number, business registration, and import-export code, and proper export documentation. If we talk about investment, a small reseller business may require 50,000 to 2 lakhs rupees. An online brand may require 3 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees. A small manufacturing unit may require 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs rupees. A medium-sized factory may require 50 lakh to 2 crore rupees, while an export-oriented company may require 1 crore rupees or more. The cotton saree business is one of the best opportunity in India because our country has a rich textile heritage, skilled artisans, and strong demand for both in India and abroad. You can start small, learn the market, build your own brand, and eventually create a manufacturing and export business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
If you think this video was very useful for you, so please like, comment and share with your friends and family who are planning to establish their own business, okay, and or I can say they already established but they don't know how to put their small scale business on the internet or on a social media. So all these step by step instruction probably might help them how to grow their business in a future. Thank you so much. Thank you.